Today we are unboxing the Marvel Corps Marvel 80th anniversary box. Of course, if you've been on this channel, you know that Marvel Collector Corps is a mystery box by Funko that is a bi-monthly subscription over at Amazon.com. But anyways, enough promoting something I get no promotion on. Let's unbox this Marvel mystery box. What we have, it appears to be some type of shirt, I think. Yes, it is. And it is the Green Goblin as a Funko Pop. And I have the shirt upside down. And here is the Funko Green Goblin t-shirt that they included in this box. It looks pretty cool. A little snug, but I think it manages to pull off just enough. So next up, we have a Hydra Funko pin. Instead of having a legit skull, it's the Funko Fathead. And as far as pins goes, this is a pretty nice pin. So for the month of November, because this is the September box, they are doing a Marvel holiday. So if you want that Collector Corps box, like I said, go to Amazon.com and get yours today for the next month. And then here we have a little decal with Loki, Thanos, and the Green Goblin. And it's like one of those corner pieces that were on the comic books. Cool, I guess. Not a huge fan of this, but cool. And then next up in this Marvel Collector Corps, we have the Loki Marvel Corps exclusive Funko Pop. And I find this very cool. Not only is this a special Marvel 80th anniversary Loki, this is based off his first appearance, which is a pretty cool little thing to put on the box, that his first appearance was Journey into the Mystery number 85. And of course, this is Loki right out of the box. The most interesting feature to me, besides the horns and having like this metal biker helmet thing on it, and besides the shocker looking thing from the Spider-Man villain, is that Loki has a long ponytail in the back. Very interesting detail. I never really noticed that from the comic books that he has. And this is a pretty awesome classic Loki. And now we make our way to our final Funko Pop and our final item here, which is of course the classic Thanos. And just like the Loki one, it does have his first appearance on the back, which is from the Invincible Iron Man number 55. Oh, and it's interesting that this is a Infinity Gauntlet-less Thanos. So let's unbox him. Whoa, this guy has some weight on him. And he's pretty darn big. I feel like he might be as big as Loki. Oh no, even with the horns, Thanos is still bigger than Loki. Wow, this is a nice, hefty Funko Pop. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So that was, of course, the Marvel Collector Corps Marvel 80th Anniversary box. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop that like and share this video. If you want to see more from me, nerd stuff, theme parks, and just fun stuff in general, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, I hope to catch you all in the next video.